Good morning, my name is Simon Ellson. Today, the 4 Ds of running your business. Delegating is an essential skill you need to develop in order to ensure the long-term survival of your business, beyond the skills of you, the business owner, or maybe another key employee. It unfortunately runs against many people's natural instincts, doesn't it? Because we all know that we're actually the best at everything that needs to be done in the business, or simply we do it quicker than somebody else might do, and therefore we just crack on and do it ourselves. Entrepreneurs tend to be, by nature, very self-reliant. Now, a company's ability to grow will always be restricted by the simple ability of its leaders to delegate and let go. Think about that. If you want to grow your business and to grow the value of your business, then you've got to learn to delegate. So this is the story of the 4 Ds. Often the major barrier to delegation is simply the belief that it will take longer to teach someone else how to do something or how to do the job properly rather than doing it oneself. So take some time to review all of the repeated time-consuming tasks that you have to deal with and decide, which can I delegate, which can I give away? A simple time saver in the delegation area is simply to forward emails that are outside of your area of expertise or can be easily dealt with by somebody else, and send them away, free up some time in your diary, and allow you to get on with more important things. If you save time, the team will get better results, and therefore that's the right move. Now, I like to remind my clients there are 4 Ds in business. This is the story of the 4 Ds. D for doing. There's only one you do everything. The second D, directing. There's now somebody else in your business, so now you direct them to specific tasks. Do this, do that, do the other. The third D is delegating. Don't do it. Don't direct someone else to do it. Give away the responsibility for someone in your team to own it and report back to you on progress. A crucial distinction between giving it away and delegation. And the 4th D is designing. Forward-looking planning, strategy, expansion, global domination, whatever else you might think. Basically designing the future of your business and leading your teams. Delegation is a huge subject. And a challenge for many. Remember the 4 Ds, and perhaps it will be easier for you to adopt a strategy that will get you the growth and value that you need in your business. First D, doing. Not a good thing when you're growing your business. Second D, directing. Great when you've got your first 1 or 2 team members on board. Third D, delegating. 4th D, where we want you as a business owner, which is designing. My name has been Simon Ellson. I hope that's been thought-provoking, and if it has, drop a note in the comments box below, send me a DM, message me, or book an appointment for a chat on our website. Thank you very much. Have a great week. Take care and speak soon. Bye-bye.